Venice Noodles, guys. Good spot. Check it out right here on Venice Boulevard. And where we at? Oh, Greenfield. Good spot. Good spot. Oh, yeah. Looking good, bro. Thanks, man. Yeah. Nice color, yeah. Rabble Rouser tattoo. Yeah. Nice teal. Beautiful day out here. Look at those earth vibes. Chris King came out, did some poetry, and we'll try to get him back out tomorrow. So check out those vids. Chris King on the boardwalk doing Bukowski. Uke. And yeah. The weekend crowds are here, so maybe we'll get some Sunday Fun Day sunset action from Chris King by the drum circle. You know how we do. Always a good day to get outside, look around, see how the people are doing. Here we go. Our homies are out here. One love. Remember, Jesus was a homeless stoner, an earth medicine guy. Don't judge people if they trust Mother Earth science. Live and let live. What's up, Rosie? Yeah. Oh yeah, good times. We're out here. And of course, I'll sell our homies under the 405 here, under the bridge, our HCP Classic Jam. Oh, it's looking nice up there. Nice sunset coming in. Some cool posters here, Jungle Cruise. See, we got the Fortress here. This taco truck, this is my favorite one right here. I mean, this one's great over here too. We got the Killer Pastor, Flying Elf Books has been raving about it. So they're both good. Come out here, 405 at Sepulveda. Get your taco on, yo. Today's the day. Every day's the day. Oh yeah. Good tripas here. Good quesadilla. Yo. Just to all our pals. Homies there. Homies here. Homies there. So, you know, you want to help people out, bring down some food, bring down some clothes. Help people out however you can. Give what you can. Yeah. Give what you can, help how you can. And then, of course, right next to the homeless, we have premium cars. Premium. USA.com. What can we do? Shouts to Jolly Donuts. Should we pop in? Oh, I think it's closed. But hey, we got a couple left from this morning, so konnichiwa for now.